Hey guys, this is Bitcoin Geekend, and it's been a while since I created the last video. So here it is. We are looking at the BTC CNY. I'm just gonna tell you the pretty big, interesting assumption of mine. Long story short, it seems like there are a lot of insiders trading. The BTC market cap is still so small. And so once the pretty big money comes in, it's gonna go volatile pretty easily. So it seems like whenever the price hit the major part, the news comes up, right? So it's interesting. So let's take a look at January 4th or 5th. Well, this price was pretty big move. I was looking at a price movement, and that was one day there was a 40% of the price movement. It's 40%. Can you believe that? It's in a single day movement, and this is such a wild market. And that day, you see two candles. You see that this was a previous GOX high. I mean, that's if you go back to history, there was a crazy Mt. Gox era, and there was a high price. You see this is the high, and the price was 75.88 CNY, and that was, well, we could say this was a fake or real or whatever people says. This was a high, right? So let's go back to the current time, and you see it's clearly if the price penetrated GOX high, seller came in, and of course that was based on the news that Chinese government tried to ban the maximum cap of wiring the money overseas. However, if you look at this time, right, it's a PBOC was under inspection from the Chinese government, etc. Whatever it may be, this was, if you compare the price, right, it's you see the price high was 75.89, and the previous high, GOX high, was 75.88. So that was 1 CNY higher than GOX, and then PBOC news came in. So what really happening, I assume, is whenever price hits a sort of historical price or like a technical point, people started to broadcast the news. And this is all my assumption. I never met with such people. However, if we look at the timing, it just looks like that. So maybe next time, if you see the price comes to a historical price, such as like a GOX high or whatever it may be aware for the news, right? Right, so this is all my assumption. If this Mt. Gox high is maybe broken, what's gonna happen is this price will be support from the next time, and that may be a good chance to buy. I don't know, but that looks like that. And the other interesting fact is this Bitcoin price is sort of competing with precious metals. So this price shows this is the CNY quote XAU and XPD average price. So this is the gold and platinum average price between these guys. And well, we can say this is irrelevant because Chinese market doesn't measure gold with troy ounce. They just measure per gram or per kilograms. However, if we just convert the like a gold US dollar price into CNY with conversion rate on it, it just looks like that, and seems like the price is working, and once the price penetrated this average price, it just kind of comes back, and this is the first time of penetrating this level. And the other day there was a pretty good chance maybe this was a GOX high, and this was precious metal price was working as a resistance, and that was a good chance to release a news to drop the price, and that may be the reason why this sort of the news came out. I don't know. This is all assumption, but it just looks like that. So how the price will move, I don't know. So if we just place probably the 200 moving average, it's inching up, it all goes up. And maybe if we just take a look at a little shorter term, moving average is coming up, so this will be goes like that. So if we take a look at what about 50 moving average, we are now hitting 50 average. So this was working. If it might comes down a little bit, or its mate goes up. And what's gonna really we need to be really be careful of is when the price comes to the GOX high, then maybe another news comes out, right? And if the price was hitting higher than this precious metal average price, there maybe another news comes out. So I would assume maybe if you guys are looking for buying opportunity, just be away from these levels. That's all I can say. I know it doesn't solve all the problem of the Bitcoin price movement. However, well, this may be an interesting idea that I came across, so I just wanted to share to the world. So I just created a video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and hope see you guys soon. Bye.